Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
And hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you on this Thursday morning. A quick note from my sponsors. Call Robert Gibb and Sons and ask them for their seasonal clean and check of your air conditioning system. It's on special through the end of June for $135. Again, Robert Gibb and Sons. Give them a call and get that air conditioner tip-top shape. All right, let's talk a little bit about our weather. We have a lot to talk about. A risk of severe weather today. We're going to focus on the track, the timing, and the risks, and the location, and the greatest risk areas for our severe weather as we go through our day today. Here is the facts and what you need to know. We're going to start with a look at the risk of severe weather across the nation. Now, what you're looking at here is from the Storm Prediction Center. Anywhere in yellow is a level 2 risk out of a 5-level scale. That includes much of southern North Dakota and parts of west central Minnesota. The dark green area is a level 1 called a marginal risk. Places in Nebraska an enhanced risk. Now, what kind of threats do we have in these areas? The highlighted areas you're seeing here are risks for tornadoes. That's a 2% risk in green that includes most of eastern South Dakota and parts of southeastern North Dakota, and tipping into parts of west central Minnesota. A greater risk down in the southern states as we go through the afternoon. But there will be some spin in the atmosphere today. The greatest risk will be for this is hail. The hatched area is a significant risk for large hail in southeast North Dakota. All right, here's a look at the forecast as far as the guidance goes. We're going to start there. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. First, you will see that in our area, as I zoom in, there's some snow out in the big sky country of Montana as we begin our day today. Now, our rain showers in the morning will push off to the east as we go through. Then as we head into the afternoon, notice what develops out in your Bismarck. This is the main event as we go through your mid-afternoon around 3 to 5 p.m. Heading into the 6 to 7 o'clock time frame, it makes its way into the FM area. And again, all modes of severe weather will be possible. So if storms approach your area, know in the Southern Valley they could be severe. Heavy rain showers, mainly the risk up to the north. Now, our risk of storms will push off to the east and down to the south into Sioux Falls. Our event up here becomes more of a rain event as we go through the overnight, and then look what happens. Mixes over with and changes to some areas of snow as we go into Friday morning through midday. Oh my goodness, what a wild ride of weather we're expecting for our day today. Here's what you need to know. Temperatures will rise to 74 degrees today. Again, morning spits of rain will exit, then afternoon thunderstorms after temperatures reach the low to mid 70s here in the Southern Valley, a little cooler up to the north. Again, all modes of severe weather possible in the south, then rain in some areas, getting a few flakes of snow mixing in, some slushy snow at that. Let me take a look with you at the forecast for that. As we take a look at your holiday weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Memorial Day, it does look like temperatures will slowly climb to around 70 to 75 degrees by the time we get to Tuesday. Now let's peek at that forecast for snowfall amount, and I want to point this out. We're not going to see huge amounts of snow in places, but there could be flakes mixing in with heavier bands of precipitation, and I think it'll be that slushy, heavy, wet stuff. So many in the areas of blue will have a chance for at least some measurable snow. Not common for this time of the year. Up near the international borders, we're the best chance of seeing it accumulate on grassy areas, briefly 1 to 3 inches of snow. So if you get this nonsense by the time we get to Friday midday, be sure to share a photo with Hutch. This is what the future radar looks like on Friday as we go through. Low pressure driving to the north, rain in the valley. I'm not forecasting snowfall for Fargo the way it looks, but anywhere north of Grand Forks and even out to the west, a better chance. All right, that's your forecast. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Again, severe weather risk tonight. I'll be here covering things for you throughout the night. So have Hutch's weather close by, and if storms move into your area, know they could be severe. All modes of severe weather possible, particularly in the south.